Welcome back. So this is my first skincare Saturday in a minute. Like it's been a minute. Don't come for me. I don't work there anymore. I know I work for a totally different coffee shop. But you see, they came out with a pistachio latte, and pistachios are like my all-time favorite snack on the entire planet. So I had to taste it. And if you're curious, it's really good. That's not why we're here. Okay, so this is the first skincare Saturday that I am doing since the channel revamp. Skincare Saturday is gonna remain ultimately the same. I'm not gonna tell spooky stories or anything like that. We're just gonna talk about skincare. And since I have been away, I have gotten, my skincare's changed. So we are actually about to take the day off. I just got back from my brother's going away lunch. Going off to college again. Yeah, so I just got back from that. And there it is. Like I need there, so we are going to take the day off. So I came home and y'all, I got a whim to reorganize my drawers with my clothes. I don't know why. But I reorganized all 4 of my drawers. Sunday, my husband and I are going to tag team a closet. I'm scared because I don't know what's in there. I don't even go in my closet. Like, everything that I typically wear is in my drawer. And I went through my drawers and I was like, oh my god, this needs to be hung up, this needs to be hung up, this needs to be hung up. So I can't even get mad that I can't find things or find anything to wear because I don't even know the clothes I have. And Mac is being a real butthole right now. Do you hear him? Okay, so the one thing that has 1000% not changed in my skincare routine, especially with makeup, is double cleansing. So what I have done is I've gone more affordable. Mostly more affordable. There are a few products that I've gotten from either BoxyCharm or influencer that are high end that I did not purchase myself. And actually some of them you are gonna see today. So while this is my take the day off, this is gonna be going up in the morning. Do y'all like that better? Like, I actually like uploading earlier in the day. For the longest it was 2:30. And now I'm like, the videos are done, just upload them, just have them go public for 11. Even when I was doing that, I was still doing it for 10:30 or 2:30 for some reason. So strange. Okay, so let's talk double cleanse. I have 2 items that I use for double cleanse. One, you guys have seen me use it a million times. It's the Kate Somerville cold cream. I have found myself reaching more for the cores though. So I have been alternating between the Kate Somerville cold cream. It's still like my go-to. I get it. You can find it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls for literally half the freaking price. The Korres Wild Rose Makeup Melter. So lately I've been enjoying the Wild Rose Makeup Melter more. I couldn't find it on their website. I did, however, find it on Amazon for $36. I found mine at Marshalls for like $10. But that's one I've really been enjoying. I like the texture. I like how it emulsifies once it hits water. And then I also like how it works with my Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. So surprisingly enough, I wash my face in the morning with the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Cleanser. Something about the scent really just helps me wake up. And ever since I got off birth control, my skin's been hit or miss. And then at night I will double cleanse, and that's one reason why I like the cold cream and the Korres, because they both actually feel really hydrating. They don't feel stripping. And then I go in with the Cetaphil, and then I'll do my one of like numerous nighttime routines. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go double cleanse now with the Korres makeup melter, Wild Rose makeup melter, and then the Cetaphil, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. And wardrobe to change. I actually ended up taking a full-blown shower because I realized I got kind of sweaty when I was going to get the Starbucks and I had to do a work thing. So it's like, let me go shower. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, because after like not feeling so hot the last few days, I have really skimped on my skincare. I'm not gonna lie, I've skimped. So the other day I filmed and I really wasn't feeling very well, but I went through anyway, and I was like, you know, I'm just going to, this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. I take a pump and a half. And I washed my face, but I didn't double cleanse. I didn't put any serums. I didn't mask. I literally just like went through, and that was it. Like, washed my face, threw in some moisturizer, and called it a day. So when I don't feel well, I skimp on my skincare. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna go in. So my cleansers are drugstore. This routine is no drugstore. Alright, so I got this in a set on sale at Sephora for half off because it was one of the Christmas sets. This was actually sent to me, and I'm running low, which is really sad. But this is the Power Press Serum. I love this. It doesn't take a lot, and it just, every time I use it, my skin wakes up. Like, I wake up and my skin, it's just, it looks so much more hydrated. It looks so much brighter. And y'all, the funny thing is, you know how I know my skin is dehydrated right now? Because all of these hydrating ingredients I am putting on my face are tingling. That is how I know my skin is dehydrated. So because I haven't been feeling well, we're really gonna focus on hydration and brightening. This is the Vitamin C Booster from Clean Skin Club. And I prefer to go in this order because I really want that First Aid Beauty to be the product that moistens my face but also starts the hydration process, because this doubles as a brightener and as a hydrator, and then this is just a brightener. So they all kind of go hand in hand. And then the GlamGlow Moisturetrip. So I actually ended up finishing my jar, and Boxy Pop-Up had two of them on sale for $12 together. So I was like, yep. So now I have two of them. And I don't do an eye cream at night. I really, especially if I'm doing this exact routine, my main focus is just making sure that my skin is just absorbing all of the moisture it can, especially when I'm recovering from a cold like I am right now, and I have just not only neglected my skincare, but I've neglected life. And the funny thing is, after, like, the one thing I won't neglect when I don't feel good is my lips. I hate my lips feeling chapped. Plus I keep one of these by the bed. So see, I feel like we already look more hydrated and brighter. Might just be a mental thing. And then last but not least, I finish it off with the Laniege sleeping mask. I have a grapefruit one by my bed. This is the mint choco chip. And that's it. I don't really have any of the new things I've been using out in front of me. I'm going to go one by one and talk about them. I have one more new product coming, but I kind of want to use it a few times to see how I like it before I go through and, you know, do it again. But yeah, like, I just wanted to go through and do a quick little skincare video, let y'all know I'm still doing them. But I will say the one thing that has dramatically changed in my routine, it's not so much product related, it's actually how I double cleanse. And I wanted to talk about this before, but I forgot and I just reminded myself. So the way I double cleanse has actually changed, especially if I'm showering beforehand or while I double cleanse. So what I will do is I'll start my shower and then I will go through and I will put whatever first cleanse I'm using, whether it's the Kate Somerville or the Korres Wild Rose makeup melter, whichever one I'm using, I will go through and I will just gently massage it everywhere I have makeup. Hop in the shower, shave, wash my body, then I will turn the shower off and I'll adjust the water to like the water I would use out of my sink, like lukewarm. Rinse my face, and I usually have the Cetaphil. If I'm gonna double cleanse in the shower, I will bring the Cetaphil with me, and then I will finish rinsing my face in there. Won't dry my face, I will dry my body, and then sometimes I'll spritz like a rose water on my face to keep it moist until I get to my skincare. Most of the time, unlike today, I will literally hop out while my skin is still damp and start my skincare routine. But I like to let the first cleanse kind of sit on my skin for like 4 to 5 minutes and really just break up the surface, because I noticed a huge difference in when I started doing that versus when I was just double cleansing, like throwing it on, massaging it in, rinsing it off, going in with my gel cleanser. I have noticed a dramatic difference. So like if I let it sit for a few minutes, I mean, obviously I don't use a lot of product, so it's not getting in my eyes or anything like that, but I've noticed when I go in with my second cleanse, I'm literally cleansing my skin. I'm not getting whatever leftover like makeup that was left on my skin, because it actually had time to sit there and break down the product after I massaged it into my skin. So that is what I have been doing lately. And I feel like my skin it's going through changes right now. Some hormonal changes, I think. I don't know. It's going through changes, but and like aside from it being like a little breakout here and a little breakout there, and then like a few dry spots, like my skin itself is clear. You know what I mean? Like I'm not finding blackheads. I'm not feeling like I have clogged pores. The breakouts I am getting are, if I'm getting a breakout, it's because of hair products or because I didn't cleanse my face properly. Yeah, no, it's happened. Like I've literally gone in and just washed my face with a cleanser, threw on some moisturizer and went to bed. I'm not perfect. Or I wasn't feeling well and I just didn't cleanse my face at all for 2 days. Just splash some water on it, throw on a moisturizer. That's been the last 3 days. But I mean, aside from that, I really feel like the way I've changed my double cleanse method has really, really helped improve getting all of that makeup off of my skin. Especially the way I've been doing makeup, like because if I have makeup on, I'm wearing a mask. And like y'all saw, my makeup actually held up pretty good for being on since 10 o'clock this morning. Yeah, I was on at 10, and I came home and I came home, diddle-daddled, and started sitting down to film at 3. It's now 4. Part of this was because I went and showered. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, because Wednesday we have a whole new story time. Alright guys, also starting next Saturday I will be introducing the new products I have been using. They're not drugstore, but we're going to talk about if they're worth the price tag or not. So I will see you in my next video.